Today's question is, what angle do I set my easel at for watercolor? This answer might be very simple for those of you that are advanced and intermediate. For all you beginners though, this is definitely something you want to learn about. The angle may vary in different circumstances and weather conditions while painting plein air. The key word here is gravity. Gravity is on your side while you're painting with watercolor. An angle of 45 degrees is a typical place to start. But no, also different brushes and papers and plates may change in variables. I hope this was helpful. Have a great day. Please give a thumbs up and share if you care. Also, visit my website, GabrielStocktonFineArt.com.